These lenses from Just4Kira have to be my favorite green lenses that they have.
My head is heavy, let me lay it down. Into your lap I would love to drown. I need that story I used to hear, to run on into and disappear. I won't lie down.
Hi everyone, miss me? I'm sure you did. For all of you who are new, hi, my name is Lizette. Welcome to our channel. And if you've been watching me for a while, thank you so much for watching. Now let's jump right into this review. It is a review of the colored contact lenses from the company Just4Kira. I have partnered with them previous times. I will link previous videos in the cards up above as well as in the description box down below. But I wanted to give these colored contact lenses a video of their own. These are the Vision Green colored contact lenses from Just4Kira. Here they are in natural lighting, room lighting, as well as artificial lighting. Here you are, and I hope you enjoy. Okay, so let me know in the comment section down below, what do you think about these colored contact lenses from Just4Kira? I absolutely love these. I'm gonna start reviewing them one by one. Definitely let me know in the comment section down below what lenses from Just4Kira you want me to review solo, so they can have their own video just by themselves, where I can show natural lighting, room lighting, as well as artificial lighting. I absolutely love the Vision Green colored contact lenses from Just4Kira. I knew once I tried them on that I was gonna really like them because of the shade of green that they are. They are so pretty, especially in natural lighting as well as room lighting. Room lighting, they look especially very natural and subtle. It's like you can't even tell you're wearing colored contact lenses, which you all know how much I absolutely love that look. I love green colored contact lenses as well as brown, hazel. Those are my favorite colors. So that's why I love these lenses so much. I'm going to put my coupon code with Just4Kira here, right here on the screen, just so if you are interested in purchasing any lenses from them, I will also link everything in the description box down below, so you can definitely check them out. They have amazing colored contact lenses. They have so many different collections, so many different colors. If you like blue lenses, if you like green lenses, I'm sure you will find a color that you like, or brown or gray. Any color, every finish you could think of, they pretty much have on their website. So definitely check out Just4Kira. I've been working with them for a while, and because of you all using my coupon code and purchasing from them, I am even able to make these videos. So I really appreciate it. And I love their lenses. Their lenses are very soft, very comfortable. Just in case you are new to color contact lenses, they are very soft, they are very comfortable. You can wear them for a while. Your eyes won't get irritated or itchy or anything like that. But I absolutely love these lenses from Just4Kira. Along with the Asa line, the Asa collection that they have, I absolutely love the Asa collection as well. So definitely check out that video. I'm going to put it in the cards up above as well, so you can check them out. Let me know what lenses are your favorite from Just4Kira. Let me know in the comment section down below. And definitely let me know what you think about these lenses. Do you like these lenses? Are they too green for you? If you have dark eyes, I'm sure these lenses will show up. I'm pretty sure they're good for light eyes as well as dark eyes. If you have light eyes, they're just gonna make your eyes pop just a little bit more. But if you have dark eyes, I'm sure these will look very, very nice on you. They blend very, very well. The pupil hole feathers out pretty nicely, or blends in pretty nicely with the rest of the color contact lens. It's like a lime greenish green. If you know what that color looks like, that's pretty much what I get from these color contact lenses. The shade of green is very, very pretty, but it's very natural as well. I like a very pretty green, but very natural too. And that's it. Let me know what you guys think about this video in the comment section down below. With artificial lighting, I think they were a little bit too bold and bright for my taste. All right, that is it for this video. Let me know what you think about these lenses down below, or which other ones you want me to review. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up. It helps me out a lot, and I really, really do appreciate it. If you want to look and feel beautiful, know about the latest fashion trends, keep up with the beauty news, me as well as my brand Deluxe Princess, make sure you hit that red subscribe button and click that bell notification to be notified of when I upload. I do upload 2 to 3 times a week. Everything will be linked down below, including the rest of my socials. And that is it for this video. I hope you all have a good day, and I will check you all out in my next video. Bye guys!
My head is heavy, let me lay it down. Into your lap, I would love to drown. I need that story